Hello, in this video, I'm going to talk about Binance P2P arbitrage. This exists on Binance, which you can do this aside also. I'll start saying I'm not a financial advisor. Disclaimer, make sure you do your own research before you take any step in this video. Take this video as educational purpose. And right here on your home screen on Binance, you have to navigate to Binance P2P. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to explain the full details about doing this P2P on Binance. So this P2P on Binance, it applies to all various local currency, be it in Euro or in India or Pakistan, anywhere in the world. You can use this P2P if people are making sell order and buy order. Right here, I'm going to change this to Naira, or better still, any currency you want to change this to is going to work the same thing with your home currency. So this is how this Binance P2P works. People on Binance, where their country have banned Bitcoin, they have banned their financial institution from settling crypto transaction. So Binance built this P2P for people to interact with each other. Let's say, for instance, you want to buy a token on Binance, you live in Nigeria or in your country, then you have to deposit money on Binance. So someone on Binance already has money they want to withdraw. So people that want to withdraw, they are going to sell to anyone who want to deposit on Binance. So this is how these things work. And people capitalize on this, finding a way to deposit money on Binance and doing this arbitrage modes. So in this video, I will show you how these things work, and you can make this research and see if you'll be able to do this kind of side hustle and try to make money every month. Remember, do your own research before you take any step in this video. And right here, you see this token is trading, this dollar to Naira is trading at 760.12 cents. And if you scroll down, people are making sell order over here, because if someone makes sell order on Binance, it's going to bring it to anyone who wants to buy from that person as buy order. So as you can see, this is buy order, and these guys over here are selling to anyone who want to buy on Binance. And right here, this sell option over here. If you want to withdraw your funds on Binance, you're going to come to this level over here to sell your USD, because you want to withdraw to these merchants over here. And there's another thing, if you want to become a merchant on Binance, for you to have a lot of good volume, I'll make some video is going to pop up at the left side of this video, how to become a merchant. So you need to check this video and know if you want to become a merchant, because if you are a merchant on Binance, you will have more trade and you'll be making more money. Remember, this is not a financial advice, this is just an educational video. And right here, these are the people that are willing to buy from anyone who wants to sell to them over here. They are buying, so it's going to bring it to people over here to sell to them. So as you can see this price right here, if anyone wants to sell, you want to sell like 854,000 Naira, is going to sell to people at this price. And let me change again to this section, buy order. For so reason, if someone wants to buy only 4,000 of this, he say, if I want to trade with these guys, I won't be able to trade with these guys right here. And right here, this is the price over here to buy from this guy. I have to buy 20,000 to buy at this rate. And I'm going to go to the market I'm going to go to the market price and to show you how much this Naira is trading on Binance exchange. And right here, I'm on this spot trading. I will search for USDT and engine pair. And right here, I'm going to search for this pair, USDT, USDT and NG. As you can see over here, this is the pair. I'm going to press this and it's going to load this page to this pair. As you can see, this price of Naira is trading at 762.30 cents Naira on Binance Trading View over here. And right here, you remember this price was trading around 703. So right here, I will just need to go back, come to this P2P. So right here, this is where these things come in. So you need to come over here and buy from people at the lower price. So you see these guys over here that are selling at this 760, which there is a lot of people who are selling at this price. Just search let's say 5,000. I'm going to search now. So right here, if you are searching for 5,000, you'll be able to sell higher price for these guys over here. These guys are buying lower because they don't have a lot of money to buy crypto. So they want to deposit 5,000 on Binance. So they are going to be buying higher rate. So you can see over here, this 5,000, they are buying in higher rates. Remember, this price is trading at 762.20 cents. And because these guys is buying just 5,000, you see these guys over here, he has like from 5,000 to now 98,000. So, and this guy have from 4,000 to 203,000. And this guy has from 4,000 to 330,000. So this guy, they place themselves to sell to people who have small amount of money to trade, and they're going to buy as high as 770 over here. And this is the lowest price right here, 760. And right here, if this guy were able to buy at this rate and you were able to sell at this market immediately, you were able to make this trade in a day, you will be making around of 2,000, or you'll be making like 3,000 in a day if we were able to make like 300,000 trade in a day, because you need to buy more from people. And you remember I said if you are a merchant on Binance, you see verified merchant, you have high trading volume, because Binance is going to randomly allocate a buyer to you. Because if you check this express right here, if you want to buy if you just want to trade with people that are professional, you just have to come over here and press the amount of token you want to buy, and Binance is going to randomly select these merchants to you to buy from. Remember, you have to buy low amount of crypto from people that does not have a lot of money to trade on Binance. And once you buy from them and you come to this sell option, so on Binance right here, if you want to withdraw your more funds, you are like 5,000 worth of USDT, then you want to withdraw this money, then you'll be selling at this rate. These people over here who indicate that they want to buy from people is going to bring it to you to sell to them, and they are buying for this rate. Remember, these guys over here, you want to buy from 500, you want to buy from 5,000 order to 172,000 order over here, and he's buying at this rate. So remember, this guy is buying at the lower price of the market right here, as you can see, 762. And right here, if this guy is buying what of this coin USDC at this rate for NG, that's Naira. Remember, you can apply to this to your own various local currency. And right here, this guy will be buying at this rate. And if he were able to buy this worth of volume of crypto right here, and he can just come to this place to sell at the marketplace, and there is another way to withdraw directly to your account. I'm still going to leave this at the left side of this video to show you how to withdraw directly from your Binance account to your bank. And right here, you can just come to this level over here to sell. And if you don't want to sell directly, you can just come over here again to come to this buy order, buy option. Remember, if you are selling, it's going to bring it to people over here to buy from you. You can just make this order again to sell at this price. So remember, if you were buying at this rate, you are buying at 760. Let's approximate this like as if it's 760. So then you were able to buy $100 worth of this coin at this price. You will be paying 76,000 to buy $100 worth of this USDC at this rate. And you come over here, you see this is the best price for this trade over here if you are selling, and people go as far as 770. But you were able to come over here to make sell order is going to bring it to people over here to buy from you, and you're able to sell at this price. You're able to sell $100 worth of trade over here, and right here you'll be making 4,000 selling $100 worth of trade, and right here you'll be making 400 profits on this trade. Now you're able to make 10 trades. You'll be able to make like 1,000 volume of USDT in a day. You can just times this times 10, so that is going to be 4,000. Or you will be able to make, let's say, 5 trades or 6 trades. So you can just times this 400 Naira in times 6. That's the profit you'll be making a day. So remember, if you are a merchant, verify merchant with high trading volume, so you'll be able to have this high volume, so you can make 10 trades, 20 trades, 30 trades in a day. It depends on how much trades you were able to make. That's how much is going to divide and how much you'll be making every day. So that's how this P2P arbitrage on Binance works. And if you have any idea video from my future video, let me know in the comment section, or let me know what you think about this P2P arbitrage on Binance. If you have any suggestion video, let me know in the comment section, and let me know what or your thoughts if you'll be trying this out in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and it's going to encourage me to do more video like this. And I'm going to see you on the next video.